Welcome back to my channel. Today I visit one of the famous city in Poland, Poznan. I didn't actually expect that. There's constructions ongoing. A main old town is actually under the constructions, and also it was raining. Ground was really not a good condition, I would say. Yeah, and also it means less tourists. I mean, this VOV actually gave me some challenge that I have to somehow overcome. It was one of the difficult POV that I did. If I don't see people, it's just simply hard to know like what to photograph. Of course, have to develop myself and find this I don't want to call it style, but kind of improve my skills in order to photograph like whatever that comes. I hope that you enjoy this VOB. Please comment down below if some shots that I took is good or bad. I'm always welcome for your comments. So enjoy this video. I was actually waiting for someone like a bicycle or scooters to cross this road for bicyclists, and yeah. Last time I visited Poznan, it was before this construction, so um, I'm kind of shocked what I'm seeing right now. I was all the time waiting for the best moment to take a picture and add layers to it. That's also something I'm wanted to take a picture. It's kind of rare to see this type of colors in Poland, like yellow and red and white. It kind of imagine about the United States. As you can see, the ground is really wet and sand. Yeah, later I needed to clean my shoes. um, yeah, I was really surprised. Like, I never seen such big constructions when it comes to the road, and especially this main old town. So for sure there are lots of people visiting this place, and then they're kind of surprised that the road condition is that bad, you know. And I hope that it's gonna finish anytime soon. But which is also rare to capture like all of those under the construction road. If you guys are doing exactly the same thing like I'm doing, can you understand this feeling when I actually wanted to take a picture of them, like people walking past me, but people notice that I'm taking pictures, so they actually like stop walking. That's not what I want, you know. But yeah, sometimes it happens. I kind of like this picture because I can see on the left corner there's the guy's shoes, and yeah, this is also something I'm trying to do. I'm trying to photographing, like put the subject on the corner, so that like a negative space it's more emphasized. And the scene, everyone is trying to cross this quite big pond. Yeah. this is the best picture of the day. I started getting used to taking picture of people quite with at the close point. But still, I don't feel like comfortable when people are actually noticing I'm taking picture of them actually, right? So kind of I'm standing kind of in a hidden place so that people are kind of noticing I'm taking picture, but they are not sure if I'm taking picture of them. Today that's it. It was quite difficult for me again, as I said in earlier, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So see you in the next one.